Good morning, New York!
Good morning!
Good morning!
You know the world is beautiful, so beautiful.
Hi guys, pikit pa natin itong bibili. Char. Tingnan ko kung mabibili natin ito. So this is Gucci.
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Dan?
Yeah.
Dan, wala nang pera. Ubus na mga guys. Ubus na, kaya kakainin lang sardinas. Happy, pinaghirapan natin.
Yan.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Hamad International Airport with the bear, with Maya and Elaine. And we are going to New York. So see you in a bit, New York.
المغادرة في الساعة الواحدة.
Touchdown, Germany! So after 8 hours of flight, nakarating na kami dito sa Germany. So this is the first leg of our trip going to New York. So 6 hours ang flight going from Doha to Frankfurt, Germany, and may layover kami dito na 4 hours. Then after 4 hours ay magpa-fly tayo from Frankfurt to New York City. So the travel time is 8 hours. So see you again to New York. Welcome to New York. So we just arrived here at John F. Kennedy International Airport here in New York City, USA. So explore natin ang New York. So din punta tayo sa Statue of Liberty. And before that, mag-check-in muna tayo. Check-in kami sa Crown Plaza Hotel. So see you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, right now we're here at New York, touchdown New York, and we're going to our hotel, and I'm with our driver, Uber driver. Your name, sir, again?
Carlos.
Sir Carlos. So he will be taking us to our hotel in Manhattan.
We're gonna get some really good views in a second.
Hold on when you need a friend. I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend. I'll stay here to the end. Get up,
This is you're on the east side of Manhattan.
Okay, so
This is considered.
we are already now in Manhattan.
That's correct. This is Midtown.
Midtown Manhattan.
this time, all it needed was a little spark.
Smoke like that, it's very iconic in the movie.
That's right. That's right.
And it says that it's New York.
That's right. Yeah, I guess. I'm guessing. In Christmas, these windows are amazing. They dress them up just like they're nice now, but people are there. And they're doing like little stuff. It's amazing. So this is Rockefeller Center. Have you guys ever seen
Which one?
Yes.
This one.
This is it. That's 30 Rock. Right
Okay.
there.
So this way is the Rockefeller.
To the right, yes.
To the right.
Rockefeller Center. Have you ever heard of a show called Good Day New York?
Yes.
It's a show. It's a show that comes on every day.
Yeah.
It's called Good Day New York. I'll show you where they
film it.
Where they filmed it.
Okay. What's this strip again?
This is Fifth Avenue.
Okay.
Fifth Avenue, and now you're looking at Rockefeller Center right here.
Okay.
Welcome.
So we're here now at the Rockefeller Plaza, right?
That's right. Which we call Rockefeller Center.
Rockefeller Center. To the right is the Rockefeller Center.
FAO Schwartz. And this is where they do Good Day New York. You see the show right here? Right here is where they do it.
Where?
Right here, that open area.
Okay,
right
so that one is where the Good Day New York was being filmed. The NBC News.
Right here in the corner, Magnolia Bakery.
Magnolia Bakery.
Yes.
Okay, we will try.
You guys ever heard of the show?
That one.
There's a show called Sex in the City. They made this bakery.
So this is the
very
famous Magnolia Bakery. So suggested by Mr. Carlos.
That's right. That's right.
So we will try it.
That's right.
A few inches later.
Welcome to New York. So this is the Crown Plaza. Ito yung view na nabook namin ng hotel here in New York Times Square. So kita mo pagbaba, yan na yung Times Square. So very accessible yung hotel namin na nabook dito sa New York Times Square. So sa mga bilihan, sa party. So yan. Hi guys, we have just arrived here at New York City, here in the United States. So we are here now. It's raining in New York.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand.
The next day.
Good morning, New York. Good morning. Good morning. So we're here at New York Times Square and we're heading to Woodbury at New Jersey. Okay, see you there. Bye. Good morning, New York. So nandito tayo ngayon sa New York Times Square, Manhattan. And papunta kami ngayon sa Woodbury sa New Jersey. So tingnan namin kung ano lang mabibili. So ito yung view dito sa New York. Dito kayo pumunta para bumili ng ticket sa ticket booth. So this is the ticketing area. Bili kayo ng ticket going to Woodbury. So dito kayo pumunta sa Port Authority. We're going to Woodbury. Hi guys, so good morning. So nandito ako ngayon with my friends sa Port Authority here in Times Square, New York. So nakabili na kami ng bus ticket going to Woodbury. So yung bus ticket is nagkakahalaga ng $45 each, no? Back and forth na yan, balikan na. So yung aming nabiling ticket, ang alis ng bus is 8:30. So sabi sa amin, mga around 1 hour ang travel time going to Woodbury sa New Jersey. So ang makikita dun sa Woodbury, New Jersey is mga outlet, luxury brands, no? Mga outlet. like Gucci, Prada. So, hindi naman kami mag-shopping doon. No? So, titignan lang namin kung ano yung pwedeng mabili. So, kung may mga murang Gucci or anything na pwedeng mabili, so, tingnan natin. So, itutur ko kayo mamaya doon kung ano yung possible natin na pwedeng mabili or makita sa Woodbury. So, nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng terminal, no? Bus terminal. So, nag-wait na lang kami ng time ng departure ng bus. So, tatlo yung binili naming ticket. So, kasama ko nga pala yung mga friends ko, si May and Elaine. So, this is the first time na magta-travel kami together. So, sa New York. So, kita-kits na lang mamaya sa Woodbury. I-tour ko kayo. See you guys. Bye! Hi guys, we're here now at Woodbury here at New Jersey. So here pa tayo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Woodbury Commons here at New Jersey. So, titingin-tingin tayo ng mga luxury brands here. Pero hindi naman tayo mamimili. Kasi wala naman kami pera. So, tingin-tingin lang tayo for today's video dito sa Woodbury Commons. Woodbury. So, meron ditong Dior, merong Prada. Tikit-tikit lang dito yung mga luxury brands. Merong Pinko, may Gucci. So, una natin, first stop is Gucci. May YSL, may Dior, YSL, Gucci. Tabi-tabi lang, Montblanc, Loewe. So, pila muna tayo dito sa Gucci. Gucci, Gucci,aya, dada. Hi guys, I'm here at Gucci. So, pikit mata. So, ito yung nagustuhan ko. Gucci. Hi guys, pikit mata natin itong bibili. Char. Tingnan ko kung mabibili natin to. So, this is Gucci. Ito yung Gucci.
Oo nga, alam mo ba, nabili ako?
Dan? Dan, wala nang pera. Ubus na mga guys. Ubus na, kaya kakainin lang sardinas. So, happy, pinaghirapan natin.
Yan, pagka citizen ka, yun yung nag-iisang Pilipina dito. Diba? So,
Panay ka bili, bumili ka na naman.
Di ba wala na kayong pera, eh ba't ka pa bumibili?